Dati
Mga Chinese. Filipino Chinese.
Gobi.
Brachiosaurus. Ito yung pero ano? Very good ah!
Aray!
I want to see.
Happy!
Happy face.
Let's go.
Let's go.
This is Peppa Pig.
Yeah, I know.
Let's go. Let's go here. Here.
Let's go. Hi, Kai Kai. Kai Kai. Drive. Kai Kai, drive. Drive na, drive. Beep, beep. Ate. Hello.
Hello.
Look at yourself here. You can see yourself here. Oh, no. No, ate. You can do it. Bye-bye. Beep, beep. Say beep, beep.
This game's fun actually. I love this game so. Now I got my meal. Love you all.
Okay. So, kakainin mo siya. Hindi mo siya sisip-sip iinumin.
Amis.
Naglalaban siya actually. Kasi espresso eh. Tapos vanilla ice cream.
Oh.
Italian dessert siya.
Wow.
Mamma mia. Pasta incredibile.
Ayun. Sa akin.
Mamma mia.
Wala
Paborito.
pa yung mango shake. Milkshake. Mango milkshake. Ha?
Yes lang.
Hello.
Hello. We're having fun in the bathtub.
Is it?
Hello.
Ayos na namin yung cover eh.
Yet he still betrayed him. How can we know, Brother Peter, if we knew?
Rocks in Philippines. Hi, Kai Kai. Kai Kai. Kai Kai. Dinosaur Kai Kai. Hello. Hi. Oh.
Sa'yo ito, Jumbo. Ha? Sa'yo ito? Kaya pakilit ng normal na Pilipino.
Saan? Market. After namin magpamasahe.
Traditional Thai massage. Market.
Bali. Ay,
Napakasarap.
tsura.
Parang may aircon sa ulo ko. Try nyo.
Salubong.
Hindi ka kumuha ng isang ano?
Tigisa. May dalawa ako dyan.
Yung isa yung butcher. Kasi dalawang butcher.
Prepare ko na yung gamit namin. Hi, kiddos. Mga busy sa gadgets. Ate, it's our last night in Philippines. How is it? Will you miss Philippines? Ha? Ate, will you miss Philippines? What's that? What's that? What are you eating? Kai Kai. Hi, Kai Kai.
Can you help me? Of course. I love eating dirt.
What's that?
So tasty.
What's that? Kai Kai, what's this? What's this? Candy. What's this, ate? Candy nerds.
What's candy nuts?
That one. That's mommy's favorite candy.
My favorite candy too.
Is it your favorite candy too? Wow.
My two granddaughter and grandson.
Oo. Nasa si Mami.
Why 12, 20?
Tony. Baby. Calling Ate but Ate doesn't hear me. Pauwi na kami. Back in Singapore.
Sabi ako na miss.
We're waiting for Daddy to get our luggages. Dito muna sila para hindi magulo. Doon yung kuhaan ng mga luggages. Ang aming baggage kaya nagbigay ng drinks and cookies. Biscuit pala, not cookies but biscuits. So okay, Kai, later we will clean once Daddy comes finally back.
Yay! But I miss Philippines.
I know, sorry.
Sabi mo, sabi ka.